Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And welcome to Chinatown here in Singapore. And what we'll do is we'll take a walk through the Tooth Relic Temple, pagoda, and then we'll walk through some of the markets through Chinatown and see what the vibes and the situation is like. But I was in here a few minutes ago. It's absolutely amazing. So this temple is Buddhism. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so beautiful. Just look at the decor. It's incredible, absolutely incredible. Real sense of wow, you know, just being here. It's just wow. Just for a particular channel I follow on Facebook, it is wheelchair accessible. Wow. Beautiful. I think it's raining there, guys. You got the visitor centre there. Yeah, if you are in Singapore, guys, that camera does that no justice. Honestly, you need to see that Relic Temple. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. But yeah, what we'll do is we'll take a toss around these markets. That music actually got me by surprise there. I wasn't expecting that. I just got turned on in the silence. This Durian, guys. Lots and lots of Durian. And lots of copyright music again. The run from there. It is raining, guys, so that's why it's probably not as populated. I did walk up here about 20 minutes ago. This place was packed. Yeah, all sorts of souvenirs. So yeah, wow, souvenir there. Lots of $1 and $2 what looks like little fridge magnets and stuff like that. I never knew what they were. All sorts of local fruits. Oh, yeah, Durian. So there's your Durian just here. It's all just chopped up in here. You got a pink car under a pink building. Get out of the way. I just want to show you that building down there. It's here. It's cool looking, isn't it? Try not to point my camera up because I don't want to get rainwater on the lens. Gift shops. You got drawings and artwork in there. More arts. Images of Orient. It's beautiful. Restaurants. If I keep walking now, that's going to bring me down to the Chinatown MRT, which is just ahead of me there. So what I'll do is I'll just turn around and I want to show you something at the top of this street here. There's the Chinatown Heritage Centre. I'm sure you get some good historical stories in there. So we just walk down from there. We get Tailor service there, look at. You get some trousers made in 3 hours. Wow, a jacket in 6. It's pretty impressive. The colours are lovely, aren't they? The reds and the yellows. I was going to say that these are not open yet, but it looks like they're for rent, all these little closed stalls. So what I'm coming up on now is what I wanted to show you. Now correct me if I'm wrong, I don't know the correct pronunciation of this, but I believe it's Sri Mariamman Hindu Temple. Please correct me if I'm wrong. How awesome is that? Cool, isn't it? And if I was to walk back up that road to where those traffic lights are, you can probably see the first set. No, not the first set, the second set. That is a where the Tooth Relic Buddha pagoda was. Cool. Rightio guys, that's about it for me again. This is Chinatown from Singapore. Yeah guys, and if you are new to the channel, you're very welcome. If you are new, please subscribe. Thank you for those who've already have done. Yeah, and until next time guys. Slán leat.